Hey everyone, Mr. Raygo here with Peak Performance Training Center with another weapons tip of the day, and today we are going to talk about the staff weapon. Now, probably the most common thing that everybody does with the staff weapon, or really a lot of weapons, are figure eights. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over exactly how to do these. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the staff down. And you can do this whenever, wherever. To start off, just use your thumb. So what you do is you put your thumb up right in front of you, like you're giving someone thumbs up. All you're going to do from here is take your thumb and you're going to angle it 45 degrees across. You're not going to go sideways, you're not going to go down. You're going to angle it across like so. And then all you got to do from here is take your thumb and you're going to scoop it across all the way to your side. Not directly to your side, but all the way across to the other side of your body. From here, same thing going the other way. You're just going to take your thumb, angle it downward, and this might be a little more awkward. And then once again, scoop it all the way across from one side to the other. You just keep going back and forth, getting the rhythm, getting the motion. Once you get this down, once you can do it pretty smoothly, you'll then pick up your staff. Now, if you want to at first, you can pick your thumb up as well, and just do the same thing. Angle across, angle across. And just keep going back and forth. Then so you can put your thumb up, or put your thumb down, and just keep on going. Now, a couple little details, of course, when you put together, the more spread apart they are, the more likely you will hit yourself. Also, other hand, the most secured place, the most efficient place is in front of your chest as you go. That way you can use it real fast. Now, when you're doing the figure eights, I'm going to turn this way so you can see, you don't want to keep the staff out here in front of you. This just looks weird. The staff will actually end up going to your sides. So when I come across this side, it goes to my side. Almost past my shoulder. Same thing with this side. It goes past the shoulder as we go. Now, the less you move your arm, the more fluid it'll feel. At first, you can move your arm if you like, but really keeping your arm still, using your wrist, using your body, will make it feel more fluid. I hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed, and keep on practicing.